Meet Millie30. She has all the features of our top-of-the-line Millie machine, plus 4 extra inches of throat space. With the additional throat space, you'll be able to complete quilts faster and incorporate bigger design elements. Millie30 is built with every feature a quilter could ever want. Exclusive features include a thread break sensor, bobbin thread cutter, bobbin level gauge, along with electronic horizontal and vertical channel locks. The thread break sensor means whether you're working from the front or the back of the machine, an audible alert and a visual signal lets you know if your thread breaks so you can quickly get back to quilting. The bobbin thread cutter feature lets you cut your bobbin with a simple touch of a button to quickly swap out thread colors and move to a new area of your quilt. The bobbin level gauge feature means you won't have to worry about quilting a design only to discover you ran out of bobbin thread several blocks back in your quilt design. The bobbin level gauge alerts you when your bobbin is low so that you can change it in plenty of time. Do you love straight line stitching? Millie30 has electronic horizontal and vertical channel locks that lock out its wheels for perfect straight line stitching at the touch of a button. This is a feature exclusive to our Millie30s and allows you to easily baste quilt tops and keep loaded quilts straight as you work. It also makes modern straight line quilting fast and easy. The Millie30's touchpad controls are conveniently located at both the front and the rear side of the machine. Millie30 is built with rock-solid engineering. So while she's very strong, she's still lightweight at a mere 50 pounds, all perfectly balanced and ready to work. The Millie30 comes with our deluxe table with adjustable height. It offers great time-saving features to make your quilting fun and easy. Choose the size of table that suits your space, either an 8, 10, 12, or 14-foot table. Consider adding the Quilt Glide option to your Millie30 for the ultimate responsive movement and control. Quilt Glide is a secondary form of stitch regulation that coasts over the fabric specifically for use when stitching small motifs like pebbles and micro-stippling. And for the ultimate Millie30 long arm machine setup, add our computerized quilting system to your Millie30. Quilt Path and Millie30 will give you perfection from day one. Millie30 is built for the best quilting experience possible and is always ready to bring your imagination and quilt dreams to life. APQS standard machine features are really anything but standard. Proudly handcrafted in the heartland of America, APQS machines are unlike anything else because they're designed with the quilter in mind. Quilt with confidence, knowing that your machine is extremely easy to use and maintain, all while being backed by an industry-leading lifetime warranty on parts and labor. That's right, a lifetime warranty. But with APQS, the standard features don't stop there. All machines come equipped with the legendary APQS stitch regulator, so you're assured you'll have perfect stitches every time you quilt. Our machines also deliver an unbeatable needle speed of 3,500 stitches per minute. That means you'll have beautiful and even stitches as you float over your quilt top using the fingertip touch controls on the independently adjustable handles. Our single stitch button is built into every handle switch for easy access right at your fingertips. Use this feature to easily yet precisely place basting stitches exactly where you want them. Also, on each handle is a start-stop button. It doesn't matter if you're left or right-handed, you can start or stop your machine without thinking of which button to push. Our machines are built with ergonomics and comfort at the core. The front handles on all machines are independently adjustable and feature tilting hand grips to help you enjoy longer quilting sessions comfortably. We know that stitch visibility is critical. Our machine's LED lighting illuminates your work area, from the needle to the machine's throat, with bright light, so you can see every stitch and every detail as you quilt. A built-in black light provides contrast when stitching with white thread on a light quilt or other difficult-to-see thread and fabric combinations. Our machine's incredibly simple thread path uses a single tension knob, making setting tension incredibly simple. All machines come ready to accept different optional feet for the different kinds of quilting you do. Our quick change hopping foot makes it simple to change out the machine's standard hopping foot for another foot based on your quilting needs. You'll love how easy it is to follow a paper pattern with our laser light stylus. Move the laser to the front of the machine to trace block designs and motifs from the needle side of the machine. Move the laser to the rear of the machine for edge-to-edge and pantograph work. Power is supplied directly from the machine, so you'll never have batteries to replace. Your machine also comes equipped with your choice of bobbin size, either our L or M bobbin. You simply choose to have it made at the factory with the size bobbin you desire. And when it's time for maintenance, it couldn't be any simpler. There are 4 little wicks found on the top of our machines. To determine whether your machine needs oil, simply touch the wick, and if there is a sheen on your finger, no need to oil. If your finger is dry, it needs 1 drop of oil. We also recommend that each day you use your machine, blow out the bobbin area and place a drop of oil in the hook assembly. That's it. After all, you're a quilter and not a mechanic. That is why we designed our machines to be incredibly easy to care for. If you'd like to learn more about our machines, visit APQS.com to find the retailer closest to you, or to find out when our APQS Roadshow team will be in a city near you. APQS Quilt Forever.